everybody, Zuri Fx here, and I'm using Tinsley Transfers, and it's going to be a vampire brow. Go ahead and cut it open and peel the prosthetic off. I'm going to flip it over and put it back on the white paper. Press it in to get all the air bubbles out. Go ahead and cut around the prosthetic. Peel off the plastic and apply it to the forehead and press it in. Go ahead, press it in and get a wet sponge or a wet washcloth and pat it in like you're doing a tattoo. Peel it off. Use your fingers to wipe out the air bubbles. Using a Q-tip to edge out the edges a little bit more. All done. Just gonna add some makeup and finish my look. You will see where to get the FX transfers, Tinsley Transfers, down in my description. All done. Zuri Fx, over and out.